In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a table of contents in Notion. If you want to make a long Notion page easier to navigate, adding a table of contents is a simple and very useful feature. It helps you quickly jump between sections, which is especially helpful for documents, notes, project pages, or any workspace with multiple headings. To begin, open the Notion page where you want the table of contents to appear. This should be the page that contains the content you want to organize. If your page is already filled with sections, that's perfect. If it's still in progress, you can still add the table of contents now and build around it. Once you're on the page, click anywhere inside the page editor so your cursor is active. This tells Notion that you're ready to insert a new block. After that, type /. In Notion, the / command opens a menu of elements you can add to the page, and it's one of the fastest ways to insert tools and formatting options. With the / menu open, type in table of contents. As you type, Notion will filter the available options and show the matching result. This makes it easy to find exactly what you need without scrolling through a long list of blocks. When you see the table of contents option appear, click on it to insert it into the page. Notion will immediately add the table of contents block where your cursor was placed. You can position it near the top of the page if you want readers to see it right away, which is usually the most practical location. At this point, Notion will automatically use your current headings to generate the table of contents. That means it looks for heading blocks already on the page, such as section titles and subheadings, and then turns them into clickable navigation links. If your page doesn't have any headings yet, the table of contents may appear empty at first. In that case, you'll need to add headings to your content, so Notion has something to pull from. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're using actual Notion heading formats rather than just bold text or larger looking text. The table of contents only works with proper headings, so using heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3 will give you the best results. And that's it. Once your headings are in place, your table of contents will help organize the page and make navigation much smoother.